Ever feel under the weather? It doesn't mean a rain cloud squished you. It means you're a little sick or unwell. Think mild to medium, rest, tea, no emergency. Use it in casual talk, not medical reports. Present. I'm under the weather today. Past and future. He was. I might be. Alternatives. I'm not feeling well. I'm feeling off. Not emotions or actual weather. It's about health. Workplace. I'm under the weather. Working from home. School. I'm under the weather. Might skip class. Etiquette. Keep it brief. Skip the gory details. Origin. Sailors went below deck in rough seas. Quiz time. A. Math homework. B. Spicy chili. Correct B. Say, under the weather, clear and natural. Say, a bit under the weather, feeling under the weather, common mix-up, not under the sweater. Recap, meaning where to use and examples. Try today. Drop your sentence in the comments. Learn faster with Ngerti. Learn fast. See you.